Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to English Learning Assembly. Today we are going to learn English colors, their Pashto Urdu meanings and pronunciation. Let's start. English colors: red, lal, sur, pink, gulabi, purple, jamani, arghwani, blue, nila, abi, light blue, asmani nila, asmani abi, orange, naranji, yellow, pila, jed, green, sabas, sheen, brown, bura, naswari, white, sufid, spin, grey, surmai, khad, black, sia, tur, silver, chandi, spinzer, gold, suna, srazar. Now, what is your favorite color? Please write in the comment section and follow us for the better English. Thank you.